Today, we're exploring the art of crafting cocktails and content.
Maggie here is our design manager, and she's also our chief cocktail officer. And today she'll be making an Apple Fizz. And by the end of this video, you'll have more insights on how to create content that looks great and performs.
Crafting a signature drink is all about nailing your audience's taste. The Apple Fizz cocktail appeals to those who like citrus, spice, and higher-end spirits.
Content creation is not about what you want or what your CMO wants. It's about what your audience actually cares about, what's going to bring them value, and what's going to be engaging to them. Like a skilled mixologist, you want to create drinks and content that taste good and that your audience craves. I'm the very first to admit that fall is the best season. Target me with some pumpkin and some Gilmore Girls inspired content. Take all of my money. Today, Maggie made the Apple Fizz as a nod to the cozy autumn season. Weaving relevancy into your content will always increase engagement. It really wouldn't have the same effect if Maggie was making a pina colada right now. You can create relevant content that is seasonal, on trend, or inspired by virality, but the real good stuff, the meat, comes by understanding your audience and what is relevant to them all year round. Maggie is one of the most creative people that I know. She's very creative in her graphic design, but she's really great at making cocktails. She always makes them extra special, and the special element of this Apple Fizz all lies in the lemon juice.
It makes all ingredients come together cohesively to create a final drink.
It's all about balance. The lemon juice adds acidity and balance to this cocktail, just like creating and planning ahead with your content strategy will create balance for your brand across all platforms. It's not just about creating content, it's about the presentation. Adding small tactics like adding hashtags or tagging people are just like putting a garnish onto your cocktail. Making sure the finishing touches take place on your content before it's published will improve results. Create responsibly.
Don't drink and post.